Hello everyone, this is Anuradha Sarkar from Right Boutique. Today I am going to show you some off-white sarees with red borders. These are usually worn during the Durga Pujas. So let's go with saree number 1. This is a simple block printed saree. Please look into the border. And the whole saree will go like this. This saree does not have a blouse piece. The price of the saree is 1000. These are very good for gifting people. Saree number 2. This is also another block print saree. Please have a look at the border. And the whole saree will go like this. This too doesn't have a blouse piece, and the price of the saree is 1000. Saree number 3. This is an handloom saree. These are woven in West Bengal. It has got a Ganga Jamuna border. And the whole saree will go like this. It has got a blouse piece which is in running. It's better we wear a red solid color blouse or some printed blouse. The price of the saree is 3000. Saree number 4. Please look at the pallu. This is also Ganga Jamuna. The border is very beautifully done. And the whole saree will go like this. The black portion on the top and the red at the bottom. And the blouse piece is in red. The price of the saree is 3000. Saree number 5. The whole saree will go like this. Please have a look at the border. These are fish motifs, and the whole saree will go like this. This saree does not have a blouse piece, and the price of the saree is 2500. Saree number 6. This is also a very beautiful, a simple saree, but it looks very good. We can wear this during the when we go for Thakur Boron, we can wear this saree. Look at the border. There are self stripes in this sari, and the whole sari will go like this. This too does not have a blouse piece. The price of the sari is 1500. Sari number 7. Please have a look at the pallu. This is also Ganga Jamuna border. Please see the booties, they are so well done. And the whole sari will go like this. And the blouse piece is in red. The price of the sari is 2600. Sari number 8. This is a typical Ma borrowed sari. Please look at the border. And the whole sari will go like this, and this too sari doesn't have a blouse piece. The price of the sari is 1500. Sari number 9. Please look at the pallu. This is again Ganga Jamuna border. And the whole sari will go like this. And the blouse piece is in running. The price of the sari is 2600. Sari number 10. Please see the booties. And the whole sari will go like this. And the blouse piece is in running. The price of the sari is 3000. Sari number 11. Please have a look at the border, at the pallu. The whole sari goes like this. This is also a handloom sari, and the whole sari will go like this. The price of the sari is 3800, and this is the blouse piece. Sari number 12. This is a Begumpuri sari. Please have a look at the border. This also has a fish motif, and the whole saree will go like this. And this saree has a blouse piece of its own. The price of the saree is 3000. Saree number 13. This is a Chanderi saree. Please have a look at the border. Sorry, please have a look at the pallu. The border is like this. The whole saree has been woven uniformly. And the blouse piece is in, this is the blouse piece. The price of the saree is 3800. This is another Chanderi saree. This is also very beautiful. The pallu. Please have a look at the border. And the whole saree will go like this. The blouse piece is in brocade. The price of the saree is 3300. If you like my video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.